Hi guys, so I'm starting this vlog on my phone because my vlog camera is still charging. Okay, so there's a few things that I have to do today. I need to clean my apartment. I need to try the ARIANA Grande Cloud Macchiato. I need to eat, and I need to finish this fucking video game that I've been playing. I'm playing this video game, and it's called Kingdom Hearts 3. I am late to the crowd because I've had a busy few months, and I couldn't play it when it came out, because I bought it when it came out, but I haven't had a chance to play it until this past week, and it has been consuming my whole life to the point where I was supposed to film 3 days ago, and I'm filming today. So there's that. So I need to do that. I have to run errands. I have to go to Sandy's camera. I have a lot of errands that I need to run today. I want to take you guys with me. I don't know, today's video is just gonna be a chill vlog. Try to see how these might do on my channel. I've never done a vlog on my channel. And I just want to see if you guys might be receptive to it. I don't know if you will or not, so I'm just gonna do it for shits and giggles because I have nothing else to film. I might do under eye concealer. I don't know if I need it though. I'm just so naturally beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna clean my apartment starting now. I got this runner thing from Crate & Barrel, and I still need to put it on my dining table right there. I have like this one from Target that I don't like, and I have like a monitor on my dining table. Listen, we do what we can here. So I'm gonna put this on there in a second. I'm just gonna set it right there. It's really cute though, I like it. Okay, so this is all I have so far. I put the thing on the dining table, but I don't know if I like it. It's like so short. It's kind of sad. I'm starting this Twitch channel. I don't have it all like figured out yet. Like I'm still like in the process of building the channel, but I do have a Twitch channel now. And I'll start promoting it soon. But I'm really excited because I love video games, and I'm gonna play video games on Twitch, and I'm very excited, and I hope you guys support it when I do launch it. Hi, so actually instead, while I'm waiting for my food, one of you guys had this bright idea on Twitter that I should look at my browser history and like on my phone and on my laptop, and I thought that was actually kind of a genius idea because my browser history is quite interesting. What do I be searching? So today, Google search history. I searched side stitch, which is when you get like a really bad pain in your rib cage. I've been having pains in my rib cage right here literally for a day, and it started happening after I like worked out really bad, and I've been like freaking out because I'm like, do I have lung cancer? But I Googled side stitch because I was wondering if I had a side stitch, but that only happens when you're exercising. And then I visited like a website that talks about right upper quadrant pain under ribs, causes and treatments and stuff like that. I think I just have a muscle strain there because it's like tender to the touch a little bit, but it's nothing too crazy from like the other side of my, no one cares. Then it's just like YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. Again, I'm trying to start my Twitch channel. And then, I feel like this is not interesting, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. Ribs hurt to touch, right side, ribs hurt. Medical news today. And then it's just Twitter, then it's Healthline. Am I okay? I like vlogging on my phone more, to be honest. Thank you. Oh, close my door all the way. My hair was never meant to look good today, I guess. Okay, I'm actually really excited to try the Cloud Macchiato, so let's go to Starbucks real fast. I have a drive-thru right down the street. I know, I'm kind of cool. Ooh, my eyes look pretty. Hello! So how have you guys been? I can't stop thinking about Twitch. I'm very excited for it. What do I have planned? I do still plan on doing Battle of the Brands, maybe. Just differently. I don't know. I'm just like not interested in beauty content that much anymore because I feel like all of it's been said and done. I'm tired of doing, there's only so many reviews I can do. And then like, you know, there's so much beauty content that someone can make, and I feel like I've done all of it. Do I do cinnamon or caramel? Can I get the Cloud Macchiato Grande? Which one do you recommend, the cinnamon or the caramel?
The caramel.
Okay, I'll get the caramel one.
Okay, and this is Grande, right?
Yes.
Do you want hot or iced?
Iced.
Iced, okay. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, so it's gonna be $4.95. Thank you.
Thank you. She said caramel, so I want caramel.
Here you go, my bed.
Thank you. It looks so pretty! Oh! I don't even know what the fuck a macchiato tastes like, but I'm excited. Ooh! Do you have to mix it? Yeah, I think you have to mix it. So here's the drink. Let's mix her on up. It's so good. It's like, it's kind of like a cloudy texture when you mix it all up, to be honest. It's like the flavor. I like it. I have no idea what a macchiato is, so let me Google what a macchiato is. What is a macchiato? I really don't know what a macchiato is. Espresso with a dash of froth steamed milk. Oh, how much sugar is in this? Cloud Macchiato sugar. Oh my god. I forgot it has the milk in it. I forgot to substitute it for almond milk. Oh no. What do I do? What do I do? I just need everyone to know that I'm the dumbest bitch on the planet. I don't want to wear a hoodie to Whole Foods. I don't know why. Gotta hurry. I can feel the cramps coming. Oh my god. I don't even know where the fuck Whole Foods is. And I'm vlogging on my phone. Maybe I should like not vlog. Oh my god. Since if you've made it this far in the video, I don't even know, maybe this is like the 10-minute mark, 15-minute mark, I don't know. But like, let me know like what videos you want to see that aren't beauty related in the comment section down below that you'd be interested in seeing. I definitely want to do like an assumptions video. I'm still doing makeup content. I feel like I'm scaring people into thinking I'm not doing makeup content anymore. I'm doing makeup content and all other kind of content until my channel literally doesn't get any views anymore. That's why I'm kind of like, just like, let me just do whatever, because now every time I post a video, like I'm like really depressed for the rest of the day, and like I hate my life and I feel like I'm a worthless like loser and no one likes me anymore and everyone hates me. And I know that's not true, but I put a lot of my self-worth in my job and my career and in the money I make, and once I see like views going down or subscribers going down, like that's never happened to me before, and it's like a fucking dent in my ego, to be honest, like because I've built my ego around the success of my career, which I shouldn't have done, but it like fucked me up because I'm like, damn, I really am worthless and no one really loves me anymore, and like no one cares about me, and I know that's not true. So many people care about me, but it kind of gets lost in translation when all you see is subscribers lost and views going down. Like, it just gets lost and you're just like, well, I guess no one likes me anymore. I am definitely grateful for that boy that created this for me, but that boy is gone now, and now it's me, Thomas, the real Thomas Halbert. And now it's like, where do I go from here? I gotta do things that make me happy, because I've lived my life doing things that I hated. Am I even gonna put this in the video? Probably not. But regardless, I love you guys, and I'm excited. Like, I have Twitch that I'm working on, which I've never been so excited about something in my life. Like, Twitch just sounds like so much fun. Streaming, talking to you guys, like, for a few hours every day. It just seems like fun, so I might have my Twitch link down below if you're interested, but I don't know. Okay, so I have my Xbox controller. I have a red one. I'm so excited that I have a red Xbox controller. I love red so much. So I play on a monitor. This is a computer. Ooh, this is a computer monitor. It's an LG one. It's a 4K monitor. It's pretty expensive, but I love it. I have two of them and I'm so excited. I got them specifically for my Twitch streaming, but I just have it on like this right now. I'm so excited, like literally so excited. I'm playing Kingdom Hearts 3 currently. Looks like I'm watching Big Hero 6, but it's a part of the Kingdom Hearts thing. And you can't hear any audio because I'm using these headphones that are connected to my Xbox. I am about to go beast mode on this mug. I'm so excited. I have been so obsessed with Kingdom Hearts. You guys need to play it. If you have an Xbox or a PlayStation 4, you need to play Kingdom Hearts 3. But play Kingdom Hearts 1 and 2 first, or watch gameplay on YouTube or something, just so you can know the storyline, because it's kind of confusing if you watch it without the storyline. But I love this game so much. I've been playing it nonstop for the past 4 days. I'm almost done with it. I'm trying to beat it today, but I doubt it because I have to edit today. I'll probably beat it tomorrow. I was supposed to beat it yesterday, but I couldn't because the Pirates of the Caribbean one was so hard for me for some reason. And I'm so excited because Apex Legends, I've heard a lot of good things about Apex Legends, and I really want to play that game. And I think I'm going to Twitch stream Apex Legends or something like that. I don't know. But I'm super excited to learn how to play that game. I usually just play Overwatch, but I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone because I have more time to game now. Just because I'm not doing as much. So I'm probably going to do that. But yeah. So I'm just going to play this game. I'll probably end the vlog